Hey guys, welcome back to the Beckley's YouTube channel. My name's Angelo Camella, and today we're going to be walking you through the all-new 2021 Montana 3763 BP, or Butler Pantry. Montana has a storied past, making these RVs for more than 21 years. They have 100,000 happy campers on the road in Montana. And because of that, that's been able to help all of their research making these in the future. Every year there's a new Montana. They come up with brand new innovations that keep them ahead of the game from any other fifth wheel manufacturer. And because of that, their durability has also shown too. They cover their Montana fifth wheels with the full live-in warranty. So for those folks who plan on using this fifth wheel for traveling across the country for months at a time or parking it in one space forever, this camper is going to be built to last you as long as you need it to. Now this particular floor plan behind me, the 3763 BP, this is a great couple's fifth wheel for that retiring couple who wants to hit the road or find that perfect place to park up for their retirement. Started on the front of this fifth wheel, you see the fully molded fiberglass front cap with the automotive windshield glass on the top, which means it's safety glass, which means it won't shatter. You also have 2 layers of clear coat over that automotive paint, which is going to help it shine and keep it shimmer throughout the years. Right below on the bottom, you see the Hitch Vision mirror. This is going to make it so much easier for you when you're backing into the trailer at the campsite or at your house getting ready to hook up to your Road Armor pin box. This pin box has a piece of rubber in there, which is going to reduce chucking and vibration as you're traveling down the road. The exterior of the Montana fifth wheels have a high gloss finish, so these shine more than your standard fiberglass sided fifth wheels. You have the dual awning on the outside of this floor plan, which is going to give you awning space that spans at least 35 feet across the entire camper, giving you an enormous usable area of your campsite. They use the frameless 80% tinted windows on the exterior. They give you ultimate privacy inside, and they also protect the rubber seals behind the windows themselves. Coming back here to the rear of the camper, there's a few things I'd like you to see. You have the Road Armor trail air suspension, which is going to allow for maximum travel on your 2 axles, giving your fifth wheel a much smoother ride, jarring all of your belongings inside a lot less. And they're going to pair that with 16-inch tires to give you one of the biggest tires you can find on a fifth wheel these days. One of the key features on this Montana 3763 BP is the enormous pass-through storage in the rear under the bedroom. You can fit so much stuff in here. I'm talking tables, chairs, grills, grandma, camping lights, camping rugs, you name it. It all fits in here, and you even have a larger door out back to fit in the larger items. Coming over to the business side of this Montana, they put everything with the exception of the power cord all in one area to make your setup that much easier. You're not walking up and down this giant 40-foot rig. All of your water hookups are all in this one main area, and this is heated, so if it is a little chilly outside, you don't have to worry so much about stuff freezing in here. They have your water hookups, your black tank flush, and your freeze guard winterizing system all in one place. Now you also have the HDTV, which is a multi-source signal controller. What this does is allows you to hook up to your satellite or your park cable, hop inside, and your TV already knows where it's getting the signal from and pulls up your channels for you. Next to the water system is the pass-through storage, which has a few more things that you're going to want to know for your camping experience. Your internal vacuum cleaner bag and hookup are there, as well as hookups for an exterior TV if you wanted to have one on the other side. Now below everything is the sewer hose storage. They give you a designated spot. That way you don't have to worry about cramming it in your bumper or with any of your other personal belongings. And the great part about this is once you're done putting it away, you have your exterior shower with hot and cold water that you can use to wash your hands. Up here on the driver's side of the Montana, you can see our cap lights are prepped for Furrion side view cameras. With the ability to also add a backup camera, gives you a full field of view of vision around your Montana when you're pulling it down the road. Above is our hydraulic systems control panel. We have 2 knobs that control the main slides of the coach that we can turn on or off if we only want to move one of those slides at a time. And above that is the LCI hydraulic leveling control panel. With one press of the auto level button, your camper will level itself out, and with the press of the buttons inside to open up your slides, your 4th press of a button will be opening up that tab on your beverage of choice. I wanted to point out the MORryde steps with the strut assist. The strut assist makes it so that you can pick up these steps with your own finger. Much easier to get in and out of your camper when you're loading and unloading. The first thing that's going to catch your eye when you walk through that 30-inch entry door is the giant 18 cubic foot, 3-door residential refrigerator with an ice maker. Now this is powered off of your 1,000 watt pure sine wave inverter as you're traveling down the road to ensure all that food is going to make it cold to your campsite. Now pair that with the 3-burner cooktop and giant suburban oven that I do believe you can fit a turkey into, finally, and you'll be able to cook some very nice meals in your brand new Montana. And you have all of the prep space you can ask for to do it. From this area to the left of the stove, along with power outlets that come up so you can put your blenders, coffee makers. To the right of the refrigerator, you have even more prep space and also an area that you could mount the TV, or if you would like to have the TV mounted in your kitchen. You have the island, which is more counter space off to the left with your 60/40 stainless steel sink, and you have the flush mount covers if you would like to use the whole island as prep space in your kitchen. So this Montana is a spin on the similar floor plan from Keystone. Sometimes there's a half bathroom behind me, sometimes there's a closet. Well, in this rendition, it's a butler pantry. A full-size walk-in butler pantry with even more counter space than you already have, along with storage, including a broom closet. So you have a good place to put that broom when you're on the road. So paired with your kitchen in this Montana, you have a 4-chair freestanding dinette. Now this has the ability to be expanded by lifting up, pulling out these rails, and flipping the leaf out in your table. Makes it much easier to fit 4 people here. You also can use this space under here for storage. As you see, there's a little bit of space if you wanted to put some placemats or extra silverware, maybe even some card games, board games, stuff like that. So walking up into our front living room, you can see below the stairs, we have our connections for our internal vacuum cleaner. One's going to be for the hose, the other is a sweep vacuum. We kick it up with our feet, sweep up all of our dirt from the kitchen floor, no need for a dustpan. Now the Montana 3763 BP has a fairly standard front living room. You can see we got our 2 tri-fold sofas to either side. These can both fold out at the same time, giving you the ability to sleep an extra 4 people up here. So when you have the kids and grandkids come, they have their own area to sleep away from the main master bedroom. Facing directly at the TV and the front of the camper are your 2 electric recliner sofas from Thomas Paine. They are faced right at the TV on the televator, or if you have a good view at your campsite, you can look through the automotive grade front windshield for those once-in-a-lifetime views. Below all of this, we have our electric fireplace. This is going to come in great hand when it is about a 40-45 degree day and you just want everybody to be a little bit more comfortable up here in this living room. But that's not the only HVAC that's found up in the living area. You have the Whisper Quiet air conditioning ceiling in the ceiling. Now you have 2 of these Whisper Quiet air conditioners, and both of them are 15,000 BTUs with heat pumps, allowing you the ability to cool the camper down through your duct system or also heat it up. The heat pumps in there combined with the fireplace up here will really give you the ability to save on your propane when it's chilly but not so cold that you have to worry about your tanks freezing up. Below the television is the stereo for the whole camper. It's Bluetooth, DVD, and FM and AM capable. And you can also control the speakers outside, which are marine grade outdoor quality. Welcome to the master bedroom of the 2021 Montana 3763 BP. This bedroom has everything that you would want in a master. We've optioned ours with the king bed, plenty of storage underneath. You have a master closet with 2 sliding doors. You can use the whole closet for your clothes storage, or you can even put a washer dryer off and to the left. Now, both sides of the bed, they do have tables, so if you have that CPAP machine or you want to have a place to set your phone to charge at night, they gave you that space. So around this bedroom and the rest of the camper, you do have day and night shades on every single one of the windows, so you can choose how much light you want to let into your RV. You have a dresser for more clothes storage, as well as another closet. So you have plenty of room in here if you guys wanted to do an extended stay or full-time living to store your clothes. Now you may be wondering what this space is above the dresser and below the TV. I'll tell you what, I can't give you a direct answer, but if I were to say something, I'd say put a second TV there for a his and her television. So welcome to the very spacious bathroom of the Montana 3763. This has a few features, again, that are going to make it even more comfortable to live in this full time. On the ceiling above me is our Max Air rain sensor fan. It is the second one that we have in this RV, the first being in the kitchen. You do have dual medicine cabinets as well as dual stainless steel sinks for the countertop, and tons of storage in here from below the sinks, also off to the side where you can add toiletries, towels, and any other bathroom supplies that you may need. And right behind me here is the walk-in shower, and yes, it does have a seat and it is so spacious inside. So if you are in here full-time or for extended periods, you're not cramming into one of those small RV showers. All right, guys, thanks for making it to the end of today's video on the Beckley's RVs YouTube channel. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and smash that subscribe button and ring that bell on YouTube. Once again, my name is Angelo Camella, reminding you to relax, explore, and live. Well, the whole reason why it's called the Montana Butler Pantry is because right behind me, you have a full-size walk-in butler pantry.